What up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Clore. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing, and it's going to be of the Andis pivot motor combo. It's the adjustable blade clipper and the corded trimmer. And so I know right now with quarantine and everything and people not being able to get out there, get their haircuts and stuff like that, so your boyfriend or your husband or your son may be looking a little shabby, if we will just, you know, put it nicely. So I bought this just so I can trim my son as well as my husband. My husband right now, I've never ever in my entire life seen him with this much facial hair as well as hair on his head. So I went online to my local beauty supply and searched for some clippers and trimmer to be able to do his hair. And initially I went on Amazon, but I think everybody had the same idea as I did, and majority of the ones on there were sold out. So we're gonna get right into this review, but before we do so, if you are new to my channel, be sure to check out some more of my content, and if you like what you see, you can go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And for this little review, be sure to leave a comment, let me know what you think, or if you're planning to purchase one of your own, just to be able to get your own haircut or cut somebody in your family. And again, for all of my new subscribers, thank you so much. I truly do appreciate it. I hope you're finding my content enjoyable so far. Let's get right into this review right now. So I'm just opening the box right now that it initially came in. So it came in another little box like that, and we're gonna open it up. All right, so the first thing that we have here, I will just start with the clippers, and then the clippers come like this. Actually, let me just show you the entire box as how it came. So the box came like this, and we'll slowly just go through all of the content, and I'll go through them one by one and show you everything that came inside of this packaging. So we will start with the clippers, and these are what the clippers look like. Let's take them out of the bag. Has a good weight to it. I'm not sure what it's supposed to really feel like, but it does really have a weight to it. Seems like a really good brand. I'm really not sure about the brand itself, as this is my first time attempting to cut somebody's hair. I've cut my own hair with like scissors and shears and things like that, but in terms of actually doing like a haircut on a male, I've never done that before. So and I want to see the cord, because sometimes, you know, if it's not long enough, it's not, but the cord itself is pretty long. And then this is what the clipper looks like, and then it comes with just a little thing on the edge of it. And I'll come in closer here so you can see it. Honestly, it looks amazing. So I just hope it works as good as it looks. Okay, and then what I'll do as well, I'll also plug it in just so you can hear like any noise it makes or anything like that. So just 1 second. Okay, so I did just plug it in, so I'm just gonna turn it on. So just push the little thing at the front, and very low noise. Like, if you can hear that, it's really quiet. It sounds like a fridge when a fridge is like running. Yeah, not bad at all. Alright, the other item that came in there is the corded trimmer, and then the cord for the trimmer is just as long, which is awesome as well. And then this is what the trimmer looks like. So that as well does have some weight to it, not as heavy as the clipper, but it still has some weight as well. I'm also gonna plug in the trimmer just so you can hear what it sounds like. And the trimmer, the on thing is all the way at the back. Pretty straightforward. There's literally nothing else on here. But this is what the trimmer sounds like. As well, little to no noise. The trimmer is less noisy than the clipper. The other thing that came in the box is the Andis lubricating oil for the electric clipper, and it came with a little brush like that. So the lubricating oil helps to keep your clippers tip-top shape, so that way, you know, you could get more use out of it and it lasts longer. That's just what I'm thinking. And let's see, so these in this tiny little box, I think these are the guards. So the total guard, so there is 9 guards that came with the clippers. So there's from 0 guard all the way up to 8. Most people generally use between like 0 to 4. Well, I guess depending on what you're doing, but I think that's the range of what I will be using. And for the trimmer, it does have some guards as well, and it's from 0 to 3 for the guards there. And it'll tell you the different sizes, whether it's a 1 inch or whatever, based on the ones that you have there. And I'll pop the guys open just so we can take a quick look at them. Yeah, so that's what the little guys look like. And what we'll even do, we'll pop one of them on here and see if it's an easy process. And I've never done that, so let's see if a novice person like myself, ooh, see, that was pretty easy. So all I did was slide it in. And then there's a little thing at the back. And just like that, your guard is on. And then to take it off, same thing, and just pop that little thing right at the back. And it comes right off. So pretty easy, straightforward. Other than the guide, so it did also come with some use and care instructions, so be sure to check that out. I'm definitely going to be reading this, as well as watching a few tutorials on how to cut hair. I'm trying to convince my husband to let me do a fade, so we'll see how that part of it goes. What I did also purchase was the Andis Cool Care Plus for clipper blades. So this was just something that I picked up as well, just because I wanted to make sure that I was disinfecting the trimmer and the clipper properly after each use, as my son is only 2 years old, and I just want to make sure that, you know, it's disinfected properly for him and also for my husband when they're going to be using it. Yeah, so that's what I got. So this is just a quick little unboxing of the Andis pivot motor combo, and I hope you guys like it. If you wanna check out me cutting my husband and my son's hair, I'm not sure which one of the videos I'm gonna be posting, whether it's my husband or my son, but just stay tuned. I'm gonna leave a little like link here or somewhere around here, just so if you want to watch the video of me attempting to cut one of them's hair, please click the link and watch the video. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're thinking to purchase the Andis clipper, I think this one is pretty decent, and the cost of it was only $74 at my local beauty supply store. I know there's other different types of clippers out there, so you just want to do your review and see what works best for you in terms of what you're looking to use it for. The reason why I end up purchasing both of those sets anyways, because that's something that I can use for myself when I'm making my wigs and doing like the little bobs and I need that blunt cut. I figured this would be awesome for that as well. So guys, once again, thank you so much, and let me know how you're handling this whole quarantine. If there's anything that you're stressing over, or if there's anything that just has you at a loss or whatever, because I think in this time, it's just, we gotta be our own barbers, our own hairstylists, our own nail techs. So stay safe everyone, and thank you so much once again.